got loads of turkey left after Christmas, haven't you? Well, so have I. So today I'm going to make rissoles. What's a rissole? Well, here's a sentence in English which might help explain it. That Donald Trump, he's a total rissole. So to begin with, I'll just melt a little bit of butter in a pan, add in a couple of finely chopped shallots, and squeeze in a clove of garlic, and just saute these gently for a couple of minutes. Just a couple of minutes is plenty, just to make them nice and aromatic. Now here I've got 400 grams of cooked turkey that I've stripped from the bird, and the first thing I need to do is chop it finely. Ooh, I've got to sneak up on it. Bosh! I've put the turkey in a bowl. I'm going to add in the shallots and garlic, a teaspoon of parsley, a teaspoon of thyme, half a teaspoon of sage, season well, and a beaten egg, then mix well. Now add in 200 grams of mashed potato to bind everything together. So how do I make mashed potato? Well, I take one of these, I peel it with my metal knife, boil it for 20 of my minutes, then smash it all to bits. Now mix. I think that's suitably mixed, so I'm going to make 8 rissoles out of this. Take a scoop of gunge, compact it into a ball, maybe a bit more. Flatten it out just slightly, so it's still quite thick, and then just pop it on a plate and keep going. There we are, 8 rissole looking things. Now take a plate with some plain flour on and dip each rissole into the flour. Make sure it's nicely coated, give it a little tap, put it back on the plate. Of course, if you want to coat them in egg and breadcrumbs as well, you can do. I can't be arsed. And now we've got a plate of rissole looking things covered in flour. Heat a couple of tablespoons of oil in a pan over a medium heat and then drop in the rissoles. Now let them cook gently for about 4 or 5 minutes each side. Of course, you're going to want to turn them over. Oh, looking nice. Sizzle, 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 sizzle until the other side is brown. Then when they're nicely cooked, just pop them on some kitchen roll. Rissoles reporting for duty, sir! Serve with perhaps chips and peas and some of that leftover cranberry sauce you've got as well. Good thing about this, of course, is that you can make a big batch and put a load at the back of the freezer and forget about them until July, so that you can still enjoy your Christmas turkey in the summer. Brilliant! Join me next time. Until then, Huda Hafiz.